Did you know that a doggy's sense of smell is up to 100,000 times better than ours? It's just one of the amazing things about our furry friends. Today, let's learn some super fun dog facts. Oh, and before we dive in, are you a dog person or a cat person? Let me know in the comments. Did you know dogs can understand about 250 words and gestures? And just like our fingerprints, every dog's nose print is unique. They even dream just like we do.